Mandy girl, you know I got you. I have my bowl, but how do I treat it with mineral oil tutorial? First of all, Mandy, thank you so much for supporting my small business. I'm glad you got your Miss Lena's bowl in the mail, and I hope you thoroughly enjoy it. If this is your first time seeing a video from me, I'm Carlina Davis, founder of Miss Lena's, and this wooden bowl is a replica of my mother's biscuit / dough bowl that she used my entire childhood. And I'm going to show you how to oil it. When you first get your Miss Lena's bowl, you will get care instructions. The first step is to wash with soap and water and let it air dry. Step 1 complete. Now all you need is your food grade mineral oil. You can get this off Amazon. It's the same thing you would use for a wooden cutting board. Now I just have a clean damp cloth and I'm just going to apply the oil. Let's add some oil to your damp cloth. Just rub it in, just like this. The sides. I always start with the back. All you want to do is just rub it in, just like that. You can see where it has oil and where it doesn't. Continue rubbing it in. If you see any bald spots, just add some oil. This is the outside, completely oiled. So now we have to do the inside. You want to add a generous amount of the oil to your cloth and just rub it in, just like you would treat a wooden cutting board. It's pretty much the same thing, or any wooden product. You can see that it's bringing out the natural color of the wood. The beauty about these bowls is they're handcrafted, so no bowl is alike. Just want to follow the grain of the wood, just like this. Little piece at the top. Gotta make sure we get the Miss Lena's. Missed the spot. Hold on a second. There you have it. This is your beautifully oiled Miss Lena's wooden biscuit / dough bowl. Here's what it looks like up close. And here's how it looks on the back with the Miss Lena's engraved on the back as well. Completely oiled. Just allow the oil to absorb for about 5 minutes and then wipe off any excess oil. And that's it. To take care of your bowl, I included those on the care instructions as well. Once again, thank you so much for your support of my small business. If you want your own Miss Lena's bowl, you can go to spillingthesweettea.com to order you one.